Hello everyone! So once again, welcome to another science class with me, teacher Nico, and I'm teaching in Chalor School. So for this week, our topic was all about the materials. Okay, materials. Now, can you spell materials? Materials. Materials. Okay, so everybody let us read the question. What materials were we talking about in this lesson? So what are materials we're talking about in this lesson? So the first one that we have is the separation. Separation para yes, okay. And assemblage of materials. And then, of course, the number two is the changes in materials due to heat. So, what is the best example? And an ice cube, if you put it on the table and then left in about an hour, it will become water. So, due to heat. Okay? So, let's start to the separation and assemblage. So, what materials can you spot in each of these objects? So, the first one, shirt. Shirt. Can you spell shirt? S-H-I-R-T. Shirt. So, in this shirt, what can you, if you separate it, what materials you can get in the shirt? The first one we have the very good button. Okay, button. This one the button, eh? Button. Okay. Can you spell button? B-U-T-T-O-N. Button. And what else? Of course, we have the fabric. Okay. Can you spell fabric? F-A-B-R-I-C. Fabric. Okay. So, what we're gonna do in that? Materials. So, you can use it by handicraft. So, the button, okay, by using the handicraft, okay. Handicraft, Handicraft. Handicraft. So, the button, you can use it in another way. Like, example, this one, okay, a design. How about the fabric? You can use it by a bag. Okay, very good. So, spell bag. B-A-G. Bag. Very good. So next, we will go to the changes in materials due to heat. So some materials change their shape or colors when heated or cooled. So is the best example. So what is it? It is an egg. Egg para high. So it is clear and yellow liquid, okay? And of course, there's no shape, okay? So, but when heated or when we cook the egg, it will become white, solid, and what shape is it? Circle, okay? Due to heat, okay? So, when we boil it, okay? So, what color is it? White. And then, what shape is it? Circle, okay? So next, let's go to the water changes its state and shape when it is heated and cooled. So let's start with the three. Okay, what are these three? We have the solid, the ice, the liquid, the water, and the gas. The water vapor. Okay, so solid going to liquid is what we call the melting. Kawalalay. Okay. Melting, and then liquid going to the gas have boiling. Okay, how about irreversible? Okay, gas going to liquid, what do you call that? Condensation. Very good. And how about liquid going to solid? That's what we call the freezing. Okay, now can you spell melting? M-E-L-I M-E-L-T-I-N-G. Melting. Okay. Next, boiling. B-O-I-L-I-N-G. L-I-N-G. Boiling. Next, condensation. C-O-N-D-E-N-S-A-T-I-O-N. Condensation. And the last one, freezing. F-R-E-E-Z-I-N-G. Freezing. So again, once again, solid into liquid will become what we call the melting. Liquid into gas is what we call boiling. Gas into liquid is what we call condensation. And then liquid into solid is what we call the freezing. Okay, just remember, okay? So this time we're going to answer some tasks. So these are the vocabulary words that you can use to answer these questions. Okay, so let's fill in the blank. So first, let us read handicrafts. Handicrafts. Heat. Heat. Brown. Brown. Walkaway. Walkway. Walkway. Fix. Fix. Separated. Separated. Assembled. Assembled. Flow. Flow. So let's start with number 1. Shirts are made of fabric and buttons. The buttons and fabric can be blank from each other. What is the correct answer? Can be, okay, separated. Okay, so next, number 2. The buttons from shirt can be used to make, I told you earlier, what is it? Handicraft. Very good. Handicraft. Number 3. The pieces of fabric from a shirt can be blank to make bags. So what is the correct answer? Assembled. Okay. Next, number 4. When the walls of a house are dismantled, okay, we can reuse the bricks to make a walkway. Very good. Okay, walkway. Next, when we toast a piece of soft white bread, bread tawa kanungkang, it turns blank and crispy. So what is it? What color is it? Color brown. Very good. Si Namtan. Next, the ice cubes left on the table melt when the blank from the surroundings turns them into water. This one. What is the correct answer? By heat. Okay, Mamlon. Next, water can turn into steam when it is boiled. Okay, so steam has no blank shape and color. So what is the correct answer? Alright, fixed. Okay, no fixed shape and color. And the last one, of course, the flow. So let us read. Molten metal does not have a fixed shape and it can flow from one container to another container. Okay, so the final time, what materials were we talking about in this lesson? We have the separation and assemblage, and the number 2, changes in materials due to heat. Okay, so I think that's all for today, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching and see you again next time. Goodbye!